I'm gonna blow up her pumpkin. Got my brother Robbie here. Yeah. We just blew up the pumpkin. You can see what's left of it. Nothing. I'm going to show you how far pieces of it flew. There it is, all over the ground. Over here. Over here. There's more. He even threw some plumb back over to the house where we were shooting from. And I'm gonna let McKinley, there's some more, there's some more, there's some more. McKinley, did you enjoy seeing the pumpkin get exploded? Mm-hmm. What happened to it? Talk to the camera. Talk to you two, come here. Tell them what happened to the pumpkin.
I don't know, Daddy.
We shot it. Who shot it?
Daddy.
No, Daddy didn't.
Yes.
No.
No.
Robbie.
Robbie.
Uncle Robbie shot it, didn't he?
No.
There's the man.
There's a dead ladybug.
That's my brother, Robbie.
There's a dead ladybug. Touch it.
And anybody that suffers with cerebral palsy, if you know, this is my brother, my best friend. Probably couldn't be a better friend in the world. Me and him, we've done everything together. Hunt, fish, you name it. He drives, he does whatever he wants. He lives by himself. But for all the people out there that has these problems, just letting you know that you're not alone and there's hope. And there's even more hope in Christ Jesus the Lord. So hope y'all enjoyed the video of the pumpkin being blew up with Tannerite. So see y'all next time. Like and subscribe.